Hey guys, and welcome back to the new video. Today I will show you something interesting. Recently I found one video in Instagram, so this is the animation, what App Results does, and I really like how it looks. But this YouTube button is really cool. It looks very interesting, and I even haven't realized how they made it. And today I'll show you how you can make it by yourself. Actually, you can make different icons, so such as Instagram, YouTube, and others in your own projects. So you will be able to create something new, and you will learn something new with me today. Okay, here what I have. So guys, I prepared this screen. Here I have 3 steps what we need to do. By the way, this tutorial will be short, so I don't want to I want to save your time. Yeah, and all we need just to make these 3 steps, and it will look like this. So it's really nice. You will be able to create a lot of different compositions. This techniques is really advanced because I don't know who will teach you them, so I hope I will bring you some value. Yeah, so okay, let's go into it. So first of all, we need to create the rectangle shape with round corners, and inside we will have this rectangle, so it will looks like a YouTube button. Yeah, and we will need to put inside this rectangle. This is the rectangle. I'll show you how you will be able to create these gradients inside this dark circle or something like that. Yeah, and these rectangles are like lines here. Yeah, so let's get into it. We are going to create a new composition, and I'll show you how you can make the rectangle. So all you need just to create this rectangle, increase the roundness here and fill black. So guys, after you fill the black, you will have something like this, and we will duplicate it, and here we will set up gradient. So we will set up our gradient. I will put the points from this side to another, and I want to make here 2 points. It will be the red one, and another one will be orange probably. So here what we have, and guys, all we need to do, we need to create a mask here, and it will be huge mask. So we will leave just the corners here. You will see what I mean. So probably it can be rough, and you don't need to make it perfect. So guys, that's all we need. Probably we will make it like this. So okay, now guys, let's find the mask here. So I will widen it, and let's increase the mask feather. So guys, we have something like that, and I really like how it looks. You can make a lot of different designs with this tip. Yeah, so you can make the gradients and fill the mask inside, and it will looks really cool. So here we are going to hide it. Right now we will hide it, and now we will move to the new composition, and we will create this rectangle. So guys, we will hide also these lines right now, and all we need to do to create the rectangle, here we need to select the rectangle tool. You will have something like that. Then you will adjust your gradient points, something like that, and inside we are going to create the mask here. it will be something like that. We will subtract it. You will be able to change the mask to make it better, maybe, yeah. So we will adjust it, and make sure you don't forget to increase the mask feather here. So we have something like that. You can make it in different ways. For example, let it be like this. And also, guys, we are creating the one more shape, and we will remove fill, and we will add the white stroke here. So we are going to create something like this and increase the stroke. So probably we will duplicate the shape layer number 2. We are going to the contents, and here we will duplicate shape number 1. We will move it somewhere here, I guess, and it will looks good. Then, guys, you will be able to apply on this composition. So yeah, we are going to create a new composition, pre-compose all of this, and we are going to apply here the blur. So with the blur it will looks more beautiful, I guess. So we're going to find the fast box blur. After you applied it, we will increase just a bit, I guess. It will be like a 2 maybe, and it will be enough. And guys, also I really like how it looks with the deep glow, but if you don't the deep glow, you will be able to use the regular one. If you will use the deep glow, play with the exposure here. Okay, we will find the regular glow. Let's apply. So guys, we need to increase the radius here, and we need to play with that because the regular glow needs a lot of different adjustments. Basically, guys, I like to duplicate several times, but maybe here we will reduce to 0 glow intensity. So maybe we will delete this one, and we will just leave two of them, yeah. So let's duplicate this composition, and we will paste it here. So here, guys, we can scale it a bit, and we will rotate it in this way, so it will go through this composition, something like that, yeah. But for that, guys, we need to add here some stuff. I will show you. I'm going to create the mask here and another one over here, and guys, we will make it subtract, and we will increase the feather of each, so it will be not so rough. I think it will be pretty fine for this composition, and we will rotate it. So we are rotating it, and guys, we will paste it inside our shape layer number 1. So we are going to find the track matte here, and let's put inside the track matte number 1. And guys, probably we need to upscale it a bit. And also I think we need to add here the blur on these lines, or maybe we can add here the deep glow, for example, or regular one. So for example, we will use the deep glow because it's faster. I don't want to make this tutorial so long, so for example it will be something like that. So it looks something like that. Maybe we will decrease it a bit because it stacks with our glow right here. Maybe we will delete one of them. Let's see what we have. But I think it will looks pretty cool. So guys, anyway, you will find the way how to make it much more better. You will be able also to adjust your mask here, and we will set up our position keyframes. So here at 0 second I am creating the keyframe, and we are going to the second number 1. We are going to drag it over here. Then guys, we are going to, so guys, after you created these easiest keyframes, we just need to appear our composition. And don't forget to create this icon of YouTube. Just make it with your pen tool. It's not really hard. So you will also link it to your shape layer number 1. Yeah. And here guys, we will need to appear our shape layer. So here, pressing U on my keyframe or on my keyboard, I have scale keyframes. So for this I have scaling, and for our gradient I have the opacity keyframes. So guys, the opacity here for your YouTube icon, you will need just to copy from your gradient shape layer number 2. So guys, that's it. That's what I wanted to show you in this video. So now you know how you can make this animation, and now you know these designing parts and designing elements, what you can use in your own projects. Yeah, and after you are able to create something like this, and you will know a lot of different bunch of animation tricks or design elements, you will be able to create a lot of different beautiful works for your clients. So guys, I will show you a lot of different secrets and a lot of different interesting moments what you will be able to use in your own compositions. So don't forget to subscribe on my channel, and I really appreciate how you support me. It's really motivating me to do a lot of different stuff. So that's why I am recording this video right now. So thanks so much, and see you soon in the next video. Goodbye.